Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how to open an account with BMO Bank. Opening an account with BMO Bank is a straightforward process, whether you choose to do it online, by phone, or in person at a branch. The first step is to choose the type of account that best fits your needs. BMO offers a variety of checking and savings accounts for personal banking, each with different features and benefits. To apply online, the process typically takes only a few minutes. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. You'll also need a valid phone number, email address, and a U.S. residential address. During the application, you may be asked to verify your identity by providing a photo of your ID and a selfie. Once approved, you can fund your new account and register for digital banking. If you prefer to open an account in person, you can visit any BMO branch. This option allows you to speak directly with a banker who can help you select the right account and complete the application. Be sure to bring 2 forms of personal identification, with one being a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport. This can also be a good option if you are not a U.S. citizen, as you can still apply in person even if you can't online. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.